So, what do you want to know?
How did you two become friends?
Why are you always sitting alone?
It's none of your business.
Alright, what's your grade and section?
11B2.
Oh, so science student.
What does it matter to you?
You should try to be more friendly towards people. Might help you out.
Whatever. I've always followed me.
I don't know, maybe you're the one following me.
Yeah, that looks kind of yeah. Why is he emo, bro?
Why does he like not talk to
I have
anyone?
no idea. Why does he look like that, bro? Like he's so emo, so dark,
He
so
thinks he's
depressed
better than everyone or something.
all the time.
Hey, what are you planning to do now?
Well, I heard what you said, and I guess I'll try to enjoy myself a little bit more.
Well, that's good.
Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you all? How are interested in the physics project? Can you please raise the hand? Excellent. What happened to you? Why you not participating?
I'm not interested.
Why not participate in anything? It's the last year of school and I'm not doing anything.
Why can't you mind your own business? Let me do my own thing, man.
It's my last year of school as well, and I want to enjoy it the most, yeah? And I want you to enjoy as well, so I can tell my future kids what all I have done and how much fun I had.
Okay. He's right. I'm only realizing it now. I'm gonna try to work on myself more so I can participate and cherish these memories later on.
It's just a skull, at least that's what they call it. We're free to fall.
Good morning, students. Who all are interested in doing math project? Excellent. Very good. If you need any help from my end, definitely I will give you.
Hey, look at you. You have got more involved after the last time we met.
Yeah,
Look, this is spot over there. You wanna go?
sure.
Come.